Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have two cases from a company called Humixx for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. But before I get into this review, you already know what I'm gonna say. Check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have two more cases for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. This comes from a company called Humixx. I did a review for them for the Z Fold cases. Let me see if I can get this to come out better. Right there. You have the shockproof and then it's just a clear case. Looks like it comes with screen protectors on there too. So like we normally do in the case reviews, make sure everything lines up. How does it fit? How does it feel? Can you wireless charge with it? You know what we do. Nice presentation from them. The boxes are humongous. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. I'm gonna check out this one first. Let's see, I think you open it here. The presentation on here is pretty good. I think this is the shockproof case, or at least what I'm calling the shockproof case. And then you open that up. So this is the translucent case. It has like that black film on there. I love these type of cases because it shows off the beauty a little bit, but does not track fingerprints. It's a hard TPU plastic. The power button is ridged there. The volume rockers are ridged and the little cutout is open there. Let's see what else you get in this box. So you get some lens protection. I don't know if I'm gonna install that. I don't really use the lens protection on there, but you get them. And then they give you two screen protectors. I already have a screen protector on my phone, which I'm not going to take off for these two, but at least you get those in this box. That is pretty cool. I'm glad they give you that right off the bat. So let me put this on the side real quick, and let's see how good this case fits. And can you wireless charge? So, do you get lip protection or camera protection? Yes, you do. So it really doesn't show off the beauty of your phone though. The cutouts at the bottom looks great. The power button's there. The alert sign is easy to get to. You do get that lay down protection, or I like to call it lip action. So you get it around the phone. Now in this case, does not add much bulk to your phone. Will it protect it? Yes. The volume rockers are easy to press. I do like how they are ridged, so they're easy to find. Same thing with the power button, easy to press. So overall, the buttons are great. Let's see the fit. That's pretty snug. And again, the fit is pretty snug. Man, what y'all think about this case? Can you wireless charge? Let me make sure you can. All right, so I have my little puck here. This is not a MagSafe case, but let's see if you can wireless charge. Yes, you can, but it's not MagSafe. Doesn't have a magnet. What y'all think about that? Does it have to have a magnet? Do y'all really use it? As an Android user, I don't think I could use my phone with a charger coming out of it like that. I just don't see it happening, but if this is not MagSafe, but it's a great fitting case. So let's move on. Let's see about the clear one. Give me a moment. All right, so you get the same packaging from them. So in this case too, you get the screen protectors and the camera cutouts here. So you get the little camera cutouts, and that will just go over your camera like that. Which I think, I don't know. I don't usually rock with that, but they fit. They actually fit pretty well. and that will protect the lenses, but also, let's see what it does to the camera though. Let's take a look. You can't really tell that you have it on there. So that picture still looks pretty good. So if you pick up this case, you get some camera protection there too. But here is the next case from them. So this one will show off the beauty. It has that hard plastic. I do like the ridge power buttons again. I mean, vine rockers and then the power button. But let's check. Let me move all this stuff again. All right, so here's this case. Nice and snug fit. You can tell when the case, oh, that is a snug fit. So do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. Does it show off your beauty of your phone? Yes, it does. Look at that. Even on the sides. Do you get lip action? Yes, you do, all the way around. The power button is the same, feels great. Vine rockers are easy to get to. Slider is easy to get to, maybe. Yes, it is. Not hard at all. What y'all think about this? I do like how it shows off the beauty of your phone. And it has this little protector there too. So look at that. What y'all think? Now, again, does it add much bulk? No. And just like the other one I didn't mention, it has like these little grips on the side. Makes it feel really good in the hand so it's not slippery. Man, I like this case too. Overall fit, nice and snug. The bottom is a little loose by the cutouts, but I mean, that is, look, I really have to pull on the sides to even get it to go. The only gripe would be the fingerprints that the back will attract, but overall, this is definitely a nice case. I love how they give you screen protectors for it. Again, you can get these cases from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. All right, so the next question, can your wireless charge with it? Again, I don't think you will have a problem. And as you can tell there, you can wireless charge. Oh, this one is a little bit more, but it's not MagSafe, but it does have, it stick a little bit more. But it's definitely not a MagSafe case, but it definitely can wireless charge. So if you want to pick up this case, or if this case is the one you want to pick up, I will have the links in the description. You can get both of them from Amazon. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, y'all, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.